Did you know that 99% of roof failures aren't covered by the shingle warranty? Because most roof failures happen for one of three reasons. Your roof is old, it was installed wrong, or it got wrecked by a storm. And here's the key part. Those are failures, not defects. So the manufacturer usually says, sorry, not covered. And that's where homeowners get blindsided. Because most people hear 30-year warranty and assume that means if my roof fails, I'm protected. But in real life, that's not how these warranties work. And honestly, in Van Martin's entire history, after nearly 2,900 full roof replacements, we've only had one roof ever qualify for a true manufacturer defect claim. So today, I'm going to break it down clearly. What manufacturer warranties actually cover, what they don't cover, and why most claims get denied, what changes if your roofer is certified, and what upgraded warranties look like from GAF, Owens, CertainTeed, and TAMKO. And if you've ever had a roof warranty claim denied, comment denied below. I want to hear your story. So before we get into it, this is not a trash talking other roofers video. It's not a sales pitch. This is a buyer beware, homeowner awareness video, because if you don't understand roof warranties, it's really easy to get burned. And here's the most frustrating part. You can do everything right as a homeowner, pick a reputable shingle brand, pay a bunch of money, and still find out later that the warranty doesn't actually help you when you need it the most. So let's keep it simple. Most shingles come with a manufacturer warranty, but that basic warranty usually means one thing. We cover manufacturing defects, not we cover your roof leaking. A manufacturer defect is when the shingle is made wrong at the factory. Premature cracking, abnormal granular loss, shingle material failing in a way it shouldn't. But here's what the basic warranty typically does not cover. Installation errors, flashing mistakes, ventilation problems, leaks caused by workmanship, storm damage, things like nails in the wrong spots, roof over installs done wrong, where they put the shingles over the top of the old ones. So if your roof leaks because it's installed wrong, the manufacturer can basically say, that's not a defect, that's an installation problem, and then the warranty doesn't really help. And we've seen this happen firsthand, where homeowners are stuck in the middle, getting bounced between installer issues and manufacturer issues. Sometimes, even when the manufacturer is willing to help, the process can be frustrating, matching the shingle, avoiding patchwork looks, and meeting strict claim requirements. And to be fair, there are also manufacturers who step up in a big way when there's a legitimate issue. We've seen that too. That's why warranty is a word that can sound comforting, but it depends on the type of warranty you actually have. So there are two tiers, basic versus upgraded. So think about warranties like this. The basic manufacturer warranty covers shingle defects, typically does not cover labor, and does not cover workmanship. And a quick clarification here, material warranty equals the shingle itself. Workmanship is the installation quality and the details that prevent leaks. A roof can have the best shingle money can buy and still fail early if it's installed wrong. Next, we have the enhanced or upgraded warranty. This is where it gets interesting, because enhanced warranties can add things like stronger coverage periods, labor coverage, tear-off and disposal cost, workmanship coverage, backed by the manufacturer. But here's the catch. Enhanced warranties almost always require a certified contractor. So if the roofer isn't certified, you might still get basic coverage, but you often can't access the better tier. And that's where cheap roof quotes can become dangerous. Okay, let's talk about the cheapest quote. Because everyone loves a great deal, I get it. But in roofing, the cheapest quote usually gets cheap in one of three places: materials, labor, or the process. When it comes to your home's first line of defense against storm, wind, ice, and water, do you really want cheap protection? That's not a judgment, it's a real life risk. Here's what can happen with the low price roofer. One, they don't tell you the brand of shingle in your quote, it just says architectural shingles. That's not enough. That's like ordering a car and not knowing if it's a coupe or a truck. Number two, they aren't certified, so you may not qualify for upgraded warranties. If they can't offer enhanced warranties, you may be stuck with only the basic defect coverage. Number three, they cut corners in the system that matters more than people realize. They can cut corners on the starter strip, the underlayment, the ridge cap, proper ventilation. Those things aren't extras. Those are roof actually working as a system. And lastly, number four, the biggest one, they may roof over your existing shingles. Yes, it's legal in some situations, but it can also cause problems. It hides decking damage, it adds weight, it traps heat, it reduces the lifespan, it can make future repairs way harder, and it can complicate warranty eligibility depending on the shingle brand and install conditions. And one more thing homeowners don't realize. Even if a contractor is certified, Manufacturers often have multiple certification levels, and not every certified roofer can offer every top-tier warranty. So if someone is way cheaper than everyone else, it's fair to ask, what exactly are they not doing? Because you're not buying shingles, you're buying peace of mind. So now here's the part you probably came for. Let's talk about the big brands and what enhanced warranties look like. By the way, we've provided all links to this information down in the description so you can look at it yourself. First is GAF. GAF has tiered warranties, and their higher coverage options are tiered to certified contractors. For example, GAF's Golden Pledge Warranty is widely known as their top tier level coverage and is commonly described and including enhanced protections beyond basic material defects. There is also the GAF President's Club version that describes major labor, workmanship coverage terms, and when installed by someone with the top certification level. So the key takeaways, GAF enhanced coverage is strongly connected to the certified contractor programs. Next is Owens Corning. Owens Corning has a very clear warranty comparison structure. Their top level coverage, like platinum protection, requires installation by Owens Corning Platinum Preferred contractors. So here's the key takeaway from this. If your roofer isn't a Platinum Preferred, you generally don't qualify for Platinum level warranty coverage. And next we have CertainTeed. CertainTeed's upgraded warranty system includes Sure Start Plus, and their top tier coverage is tied to the highest credential level. CertainTeed says the Select Shingle Master is exclusively authorized to offer Sure Start Plus 5-star coverage. And CertainTeed also highlights that Select Shingle Master contractors can offer 5-star extended coverage. And the key takeaways here, CertainTeed is very direct about enhanced warranty access being certification based. And last we have TAMKO. Yep, TAMKO applies too. TAMKO's contractor program states that TAMKO Pro certified contractors can offer enhanced limited system warranties. And TAMKO has published enhanced warranty offerings like Heritage Shield enhanced coverage. And the key takeaways here, even with TAMKO enhanced warranty access, it's tied to certified programs and system requirements. So does the upgraded warranty cost extra? Here's what the homeowners always ask next. Okay, so how much does the upgraded warranty cost? And the answer is, you usually don't buy it like an Amazon add-on. You typically don't pay the manufacturer directly. But most reputable roofing companies do cost more because the contractor must maintain certification, meet installation requirements, install the full system, register it correctly, and follow specs to protect eligibility. So yes, it is more expensive, but it's also more protected. So before you sign any roofing contract, ask the roofer these 5 questions. What brand and model shingle are they installing? Are they certified by the manufacturer? Which warranty am I getting, basic or enhanced? Does the warranty include labor or workmanship? And lastly, will you register the warranty and show proof? If a roofer can't answer these questions clearly, you're not buying a roof. You're buying the future problem, and that's a major red flag. So yeah, that's the truth about roof warranties. The manufacturer warranty can be real, but it's not the same thing as being protected from a bad workmanship. If you want, I can do a follow-up video where I break down the 5 biggest installation mistakes that ruin roof warranties, what to look for in your attic for ventilation, and how to spot a roof over install. So comment below any questions you have and we'll answer them. And if you want to see future content ideas, drop those in the comments too, and we'll make videos on what you actually want to know. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone shopping for a roof, because this is exactly the stuff people don't learn until it's too late.